Hey everybody, happy Monday. This is Steve Isaacs. Welcome to my little corner of the internet. The universe decided to shit snow all over New York in such a deep and profound and meaningful way that it's freezing outside, it's hard to walk around, and there's 7 inches of snow on absolutely everything. Stick around and I'll show you what I saw this morning walking around the city. It's beautiful and everything. I really like the snow. I love the seasons changing, but man, it's March 2nd and let's kind of be done with it. Let's wrap this up, okay? God, tie this up, this weather thing. The big Twitter news today is Barbara Walters and Skittles. Barbara Walters demonstrated Twitter to the other ladies of The View today. So many people went onto the service trying to check it out. The whole thing was dead for a while. The other news is Skittles, who are known for some pretty interesting ad campaigns. They redid their site today, and this is it. It's basically a tiny little window with some navigation, and then you're looking at search.twitter.com behind it. And every instance of the word Skittles used all day long. No matter what people say, it just pipes through here. And this is actually their homepage right now. It's a really ballsy move. I am surprised they went this far with it. Also, if you go to the other pages, if you hit the Friends tab, it takes you to the Facebook product page. There you go. Blazing fast internet in here, let me tell you folks. And it follows suit with the other buttons. It'll take you to the YouTube channel, it'll take you to the Flickr page, and it's pretty interesting that they have just people's tweets on their homepage. This idea is actually not new. There's a design company called Modernista who came up with this. This is basically a straight ripoff of their site. I think of it more of it as a tribute. Anyway, this has a lot of people chattering today on the old Twitter. I took some video on the way to work, and I will leave that for you now. Today is March 2nd, 2009. It's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you.